Okay, Tom May TV fans, we are at Universal. We are going to go do all the updates on our beloved Velocicoaster. Come on along, we'll check on all that construction. We'll look at everything Velocicoaster, everything we know, and anticipate some dates coming up in the future. Come on along. It is beyond packed here today on 4/23/2021. I mean, beyond packed. Look at this thing stacked up. So here is the old height board from Islands of Adventure. How tall are you in order to ride these attractions? So you got the kids here, or other short human beings. You can check it out. Now, looks like the Hulk makes you gotta be the tallest to ride the Hulk. And then Dr. Doom's Fearfall. And then right after that is the Velocicoaster now that's up, which you have to be 54 inches to ride that beauty. And there you go. So measure up before you bring the kids. So the adventure begins today on our Velocicoaster hunt for all things Velocicoaster, where the adventure begins. Quite a few team members on the way in what their plan was for riding the Velocicoaster, because now that there's a pass holder preview, surely the employees know when they're going to be riding it, and surely they don't, because they just don't. So it is running, it is empty. They are doing multiple trains. Let me see if I can figure out how many there are. There's 2 for sure, and probably 1 at the load station. So they're probably got 3 on the track. Let's see if I might be able to figure out if it's 4. I will be doing that. I will be doing that on Sunday at 3:30. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. I can't tell you how depressed I was yesterday when I blew it and I did not get a pass, and how thankful I am today that I was able to get one. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, definitely 2 trains and then 1 in the load area. So they've got, it's really 3 trains on the track. I'll try and get their numbers. There goes the Hulk ripping. So talking to a team member just then, she had said that the last time Universal announced that all of the team members were going to be able to ride the Velocicoaster, it was April Fool's Day, and of course you know what happens on April Fool's Day. It was all baloney. That is cold, Universal. That is stone cold of you to toy with emotions like that. Shame on you. Okay, we've got Rick Flix.
It's just ice.
We have Rick live doing his vlog. How are you, Rick? Rick, don't cross the streams.
No kidding, right? All right, give a lot.
Welcome, everyone, to Jurassic Park. say it. Come on. Let's get around and see if we can figure out what they were doing with the construction. I think they were extending the queue. Maybe I can sneak down around there and give you something nobody else is. As I saw some vlogs, people point down there and say it's blocked off, but nobody has the guts to go maybe investigate a little further. So let's see. Looks like they put some lights in around the bridge. Looks like we got security way down there. They must have knew I was coming. Kidding. But I think, wow, I'm surprised. All that construction blasting up that concrete was to put in those lighting fixtures right there that are on the side. Those were not there. Getting exciting. I'm a little disappointed that there's not employees on it. But, you know, I think since not one of them has a clue when they're going to be doing this. They really don't know. Maybe next week? Probably. But certainly they will get the chance to ride before that pass holder preview starting on May 2nd. Okay, we're putting the sign up for the Velocicoaster. Okay, you guys are on camera. Now smile for the camera, for crying out loud. Okay. Just came down to check in this little area where you can hear where they load the trains, and you can hear the initial ride audio. And they are testing the trains today, but they are not running the audio today. Hearing from some of the guests that yesterday they had a little, maybe overpacking right here to watch the Velocicoaster. And they put up this barricade kind of to keep the masses back, for crying out loud. I tell you, the amount of excitement about this thing, kind of ridiculous. It is a big deal. I mean, this is probably the coolest thing to happen since Hagrid's for sure, but the way we've watched this thing test, this is not going to be another Hagrid's. This is going to be smooth sailing. Smooth sailing. So much fun. Just take a quick minute here to show you some of the lighting. This is going to be pretty cool at night. Not only is the train lit up, but they have highlights all over the track. It's really going to stick out. Really going to be cool. If there's a second or third pass holder preview and they're running this thing at night, that's what I'm going to try and get. I'm gonna try and get the night pass. I may have to do a Whimpy Burger today. I've had every kind of burger in this park except this one. And by many sources, this is the best. So I'm gonna have to get me a Whimpy Burger today. So you saw I ran into Rick Flix there on the bridge, and he was doing some shooting. And just him and Nikki, just some of the greatest people out there. But me and Rick were talking off camera. We're both coming on. His ride is at 9:30 a.m. So I asked him if I could interview him about the whole experience when he got off, and he said he's going to be doing the same thing, and he absolutely said yeah. So we're going to be kind of have the same thought there. Beautiful. You're my wife's favorite, Betty.
Oh, what's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Rhonda May.
Rhonda? I wish you were here so we could say hi in person.
Betty, are you going to ride the Velocicoaster?
Oh my. I think that might be a little too much for me. You let me know how you like it and then on the side. How about that?
I will, thank you.
Wonderful.
Okay, so I made it back to Whimpy's, and I am going to go for it, folks. Since Whimpy personally supervises the culinary construction of each family. Wouldn't it be something if there's a guy in there that looks like that? So, what I'm wondering is, yes, I'm going to say it. I wonder if they'll let me pay them tomorrow for a hamburger today. That has got to be the #1 joke they hear all day. It probably makes them want to scream. Okay, so here's what's cooking. You can get the Wellington cheeseburger, which is what I'll do, or the vegan supreme cheeseburger. They got chicken fingers, they got curly fries, they got chips. They even have the Dole Whip pineapple sorbet, if you didn't know about that, or vanilla seltzer. They've got some drinks over here, you know, coffee soda, Powerade, and they got some briskies. If you need yourself a brew. And I think I'll pass on the old brew, but I will definitely get the Wellington cheeseburger. You know, Rick Flix, who we ran into earlier today, his recommendation is the Wellington cheeseburger. He thinks this is the best hamburger in the park. So we'll see what I think here in a minute. So here's what she looks like. The Whimpy Burger, the Wellington Burger. And they give you some stuff, and I got a Powerade. I found a place where I can pull over and eat this thing. So it's $15.99, and the Powerade, ouch, was $5. My Premier Pass got me a $3.15 discount for a total charge of 19 schmackers. Let's see how this baby is. Okay, everybody, mission accomplished. The Whimpy Burger has gone down, the curly fries, and the Powerade is about halfway. I have now had every burger you can have at Universal, both sides, and Whimpy's is the best. It's not even a contest. Now, let me qualify. The best burger I've ever had in my entire life was at Bobby Flay's Las Vegas Strip Burger Restaurant, which will knock your socks off. But look, that is a totally different class, okay? Theme park burgers probably can't expect that much, but if you want the best burger at Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure, come on over to Whimpy's. It's never that busy, and they were fast. I ordered, and it was less than 60 seconds that I was biting into that thing. So Whimpy's, way to go, #1.
I didn't even get this
I haven't been in the old dino store for a while. Let's jump in there and see what's going on. Clearly, the merch of the year is the Velocicoaster stuff. It's everywhere. Super cool. Okay, gang, so I'm stationary, so I can do a selfie-like photo allowed by Universal. Got the Velocicoaster in the background, just trying to make sure I get all my notes. So one of the members of our channel, Royal Eagle 69, asked, well, so after May 4th, well, what in the world's going to happen then? After May 4th all the way to June 10th. I gotta think there's gonna be multiple pass holder previews. Talked to multiple employees, as I said. Nobody knows when the employees are gonna ride this thing yet. They're all hoping next week, but we just don't know. Clearly they're running 3 trains. I'm guessing that's probably how they're gonna open. So you have one on the track loading and the other 2 out, so they can kind of get through it. And I think that's about it for today. Look, if you want to keep up on the Velocicoaster and all things Universal, please like the video and subscribe. We're a small channel. We're getting bigger. I think people are liking that we're on top of it. We're trying to be for you. So if you would like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Last month, I've got to thank everybody. We doubled 2 times the amount of subscribers we had. And that's fantastic. So thank you everybody for subscribing. And if you subscribe, leave me a comment so I can talk to you. So I can talk back to you. If you need anything from Universal, you need me to go somewhere and ask questions, or you have an idea for a video we should be doing, leave it down in the comments, and we'll see you next time. It's getting real, folks. We're gonna get on this thing. Unbelievable excitement around it. Unbelievable.